Hey, good afternoon, good evening, or good morning, whichever time it is you're tuning into this video. Welcome back to my channel. I would really appreciate it that you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and this is just me coming at you. I may make some mistakes. I don't edit the videos. I just come straight. I like to be very straight and upfront. I don't have a lot of fancy stuff that's going intro, outro, and all of the other stuff and blah blah blah. It's not to say that I don't like it or I don't do it. I just believe that if you just come straight forward and give the people what they want right away, then they'll understand it. I mean, I'm not saying that intros and outros are bad, but here's the deal: people are failing because people are trying to be too fancy and they showing them too many things, and that's why people are failing in network marketing. I mean, not network marketing, affiliate marketing. That's a different thing. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, and I'm going to do a video on that. What's the difference between that? Network marketing and affiliate marketing. There's a real big difference. But right now we're talking to you about why people fail in affiliate marketing in the beginning. They fail in the beginning because they don't have the proper mindset. If you don't have the proper mindset, and I wrote this down from one of my friends who shared this with me, and it was very interesting. It says mindset plus skill set plus a tool set equals an asset. Asset is you. You're the asset. When you got the proper mindset and you got the proper tool set, you become an asset. And guess what? You start making money. But you got to have the proper mindset. And I'm going to be sharing, if you keep coming to my channel, you'll see me doing demonstrations on the tools that I'm using that is allowing me to have success out here as an affiliate marketer. When I first started, I wasn't making any money. I didn't know the difference between a capture page, a landing page, a funnel, autoresponder, none of that. But now I know all of these things. And now I'm sharing it with you because I'm talking to you, the beginner, the person that's watching this, that you typed in. You want to know why people are failing in affiliate marketing as a beginner. You want to know why they're failing. You want to know why you're failing. You know why you're failing? You don't have the proper mindset. You don't have the proper skill set. And you don't have the proper tools. But you are being blessed today. Because in my description below, there's a link that you can click on that you can get access to my free funnel that has all the tools and all the skills, everything that you'll need to become an asset from start to finish. And I know you're saying, Greg, come on, ain't nothing free. Yes, there are things that are free, but you got to know how to work them. But as a result of that funnel being free, you still have income producing things on the inside of that funnel that will help you grow your business. There's training in there, and I'm going to share that in my next video on exactly what that funnel looks like from start to finish. I'm gonna let you look up under the hood, and you're gonna get to see everything that's going on inside of that. Yeah, I'm gonna let you see it. But in the meantime, you owe it to yourself to go in there and click and peruse back there. You peruse through it, look at it, and then you can understand why so many people are failing. Especially as beginners. I was like you. I was a beginner. I didn't know what a capture page was. I didn't know what a landing page was. I didn't know what a video sales letter was. I didn't know any of this terminology. And you probably are the same way. So, my man, what's an autoresponder? Why do I have to follow up with my leads? How do I even get leads? What are leads? Where do I even go to get traffic? What's the different types of traffic? Paid traffic, organic traffic. All of this stuff is thrown at you at one time, and then these so-called gurus are feeding you a bunch of foolishness that's causing you to spend so much money. You spend more money than you're making, and you're trying to figure out, well, what in the world is going on? And now you're having a conversation with your wife or your significant other saying, hey, you're spending more money than you're making, and you're not making any money. I was that person, and I remember when my wife came to me and said, hey, I don't know what it is you're doing, and you're trying to explain it to me, but you failing, and I see you failing. And you're spending money, you're trying to justify by trying to explain it to me based off of what they're explaining to you. And I'm like, this ain't working, Greg. And you got to do something different. And guess what? I put my head down and I started reading. And then I got a mentor. And I kept reading. And then I listened to my mentor. And the main thing that my mentor shared with me is that it's cool to read, but you have to apply. You got to start. You can't just be having paralysis of analysis. You can't just keep going and reading all this information and not applying any of this information. This is why there's such a large percentage of people who fail in the beginning, because they keep on operating in paralysis of analysis. They don't know what tool to get. They don't know what product to get. They don't know the difference between this or that. Any of these. They don't even know that there would be a strategy. They don't understand being consistent and persistent. They don't understand any of that. I was that person. But then when I start taking small baby steps, I said this in a video before, when you got to learn how to crawl before you can walk. So when you start learning how to walk, then you can start running. But you can't start off by running if you haven't learned how to walk. You got to crawl first. You got to take baby steps. Then you will stop being a failure. The system won't fail you. It's the person. You don't have the proper mindset. When you put these ingredients together, mindset, skill set, tool set, mindset, just keep saying that to yourself. Mindset, skill set, tool set. Mindset, skill set, tool set. Those are the proper ingredients for its success. Then you become a valuable asset to yourself. And then now you start teaching it, because you gotta do this. Learn, do, teach. You gotta learn it, then you do it, then you teach it. Because there's somebody out there that's gonna be a beginner just like you. There's somebody that was a beginner just like me. I was a beginner. I stumbled and bumbled. I didn't understand none of this stuff in the beginning. But I was willing to make it work, because I knew that it could work if I stayed consistent and persistent. And I got the proper guidance. And I got the right tool set. And I got the right skill set. And when I put those two together, then I became an asset. And once you become an asset, now you're becoming valuable. Now you're making money. Even there's a story I want to tell you about a lady who had never made any money online. And she's inside of my community. And she posted and said, I made my first commission check, which is $9.43. And we all gave her, because that's wonderful. You know the percentage of people that don't make money online? And she was skeptical just like a lot of people, but she came in with the proper mindset. She utilized the skill set. She got the proper tool, and she became an asset. And then she did what she was supposed to do, and she made a sale. That's all you got to do. It's not sell. It's called affiliate marketing for a reason. You have to learn how to market. Affiliate marketing is very simple, but people try to make it complicated and complex. And it's not complicated and complex. This is the reason why people fail in the beginning, especially a new person, is because they don't understand what marketing is. Once you understand what marketing is, then you don't be like the salesman on the corner trying to sell you used cars. You become a marketer. You solve a problem. See, that's what a marketer does. A marketer assesses the situation and then uses the mindset, the skill set, and the tool set to solve the problem. That's it in a nutshell. You become a problem solver. You become a problem solver technician, because you've established the right mindset, you got the right tool set, got the right skill set, and then you become an asset. And then you're making money. And once you're making money, and you just keep repeating that over and over and over and over, and then you tweak it, and you get better and better and better to where now it's like autopilot. It's like autopilot. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification button. Share this out with somebody. You may know a group of people that may be brand new, just like yourself, just like me. That's why I'm taking it upon myself to share this. Because I know there's a lot of people out here who are thirsty and hungry for this information. And I want to be that guy that gets it to them. I don't edit my videos. You know why I don't edit the videos? Because I take my time and I prepare myself. Then I shoot the video. Right. Then I shoot the video. And that's why I'm sharing it with you. And I'm going to be sharing some more videos, so I want you to keep coming back to my channel. Keep coming back to my channel. There's a link that'll take you directly over to my channel. Share this out. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification button. Share it out. Leave me a comment if this is giving you any value of any sort. If you're getting any value as a result of watching me and you've stayed to the end. So guess what? Down in the description, you hit the link down there. I think it's the second or the third link in the description. It's going to take you over to somewhere you can get something free. See, I got a lot of free goodies down there that can help you make money. Yeah. The first one you click on down there is going to take you over to the system that's done for you. All you have to do is plug your information in and then learn how to market that product. Learn how to become a marketer. See, once you learn how to become a marketer, then you're not the salesperson. Then you know how to approach people, because your job is to gather in the information and then solve that problem. Yeah, that's all it is. You're a problem solver technician, because you got the proper mindset, the proper skill set, and the proper tool set. And then you become an asset. And once you become an asset, then now you're making money, and you can show other people how to do the same thing. And then it just keeps repeating itself and repeating itself. But when you click that third, when you click that third link down there, I got a program down there where you can get a lot of free goodies that can help you right now, and you can get paid in the process of getting stuff free. And then on top of that, I got a system down there that's going to show you how to get the proper mindset, the proper skill set, the proper tool set, so you can become an asset. And the reason why I keep repeating that is not so I can remind myself, it's to remind you that you owe it to yourself. You're a brand new person, and you don't have to fail at this. You don't have to be like I was years ago, coming out here having no idea what I was doing. I wish someone would have been sharing what I'm sharing with you right now. I promise. I honestly, and I'm telling you this from the bottom of my heart, I wish I had someone to share this, what I'm sharing with you. The learning curve would have been cut in half. And I want the learning curve to be cut in half with you. So I want to say God bless you, God keep you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. You know why? Because you deserve to become a change agent. Yeah. Having the proper mindset, the proper skill set, the proper tool set. See, when you got all those combinations together, it's like making a wonderful, beautiful cake. You can't leave out any ingredients. If you leave any ingredients out in making that cake, the cake won't taste good. If you leave any ingredients out in this process that I'm talking about, you will not become an asset. You will become a liability to yourself and to your family. Now, you have to ask yourself, do you want to become a liability or do you want to become an asset? So in order to become an asset, you got to click that link below and get the system. Get the system. Subscribe, share, hit the notification button, and I'll see you on the next video.